Are you overwhelmed by the cost of email marketing tools? Did you ever wonder if there's a simpler, more affordable way to connect with your audience? What if I told you the solution is already in your inbox? That's right. Your Google Workspace account has everything you need to send professional, targeted emails at no additional cost. Using only 2 powerful Google apps, you can create and send email campaigns that look polished, keep your audience engaged, and comply with all of the new email marketing rules. Keep watching to learn about the Google app that nobody knows is running in the background that definitely keeps you organized. Watch until the end to learn how to take your email marketing to the next level without spending a dime. First, the sneaky app that no one knows is there, Google Contacts. This app is always running in the background, collecting the contact info of everyone that emails you. By simply adding labels to these contacts, you can quickly create email lists like in any other email marketing software. Now you've got organized mailing lists that you can use whenever you send an email campaign. For more details on how to use contacts and labels for mailing lists and other things, check out my other video on staying organized with Google Contacts. Next, Google has had email templates for a long time, another well-kept secret you should ask me more about later. But recently, they added beautiful templated layouts that you can brand with your colors and logo, which are perfect for announcements, newsletters, or promotions. These layout templates make your emails look polished and professional with no design skills required. And they can be edited with simple drag and drop actions using the same interface as Google Sites. And now for the best part. Using Mail Merge, you can address each recipient by name and include details like their company or a special offer, making your emails feel personal and engaging. Plus, Mail Merge in Google Workspace now includes the required unsubscribe button to keep your emails compliant with updated business regulations. And there you have it. You can use Google Workspace's built-in apps and features to send email marketing at no additional cost. By using contacts and labels and email layout templates and Mail Merge, Google Workspace is more than capable of handling your newsletters, announcements, or personalized promotions. Google has you covered, all without the need for expensive third-party tools. Let me know in the comments which of the features you're most excited to try first. And if you're interested in learning more, be sure to register for my next email marketing masterclass, where I will walk you through the whole process and ensure that you're set up for success. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with other small business owners who need the same information. I look forward to helping you succeed.